New Philips 907 4K UHD Android TV with Bose and Wilkins sound. Technical specifications: Ambilight next generation 3-sided Ambilight versions, Ambilight features built-in Ambilight Plus Ambilight music, game mode, wall color adaptive lounge mode, Ambi sleep, Ambi wake up, Ambi aurora, Ambilight boot up animations, and Philips wireless home speakers. Picture display 4K Ultra HD OLED TV. Panel resolution 3840 by 2160. Net refresh rate is 120 Hz. Picture engine P5 AI perfect picture engine. Picture enhancement white color gamer night trend DCI P3. Dolby visions and perfect natural motion. Display input resolution refresh rate 1920 by 1080p to 20 Hz, 25 Hz, 30 Hz and 50 Hz. Android TV 11. Memory size 16 GB. Pre-install apps: Google Play Movies, Google Search, YouTube, BBC iPlayer, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Fitness app, Spotify, Apple TV, YouTube Music. Gaming cloud GeForce Now and Stadia. Smart TV features: HBB TV, Pause TV, USB recording, Google Assistant built-in, RC with mic, works with Alexa. Power saving features: auto switch off timers, light sensor, picture mute and eco mode. Sound by Bose and Wilkins 3.1 channels, output power 80 watts.